Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the exact network path and that your account has required permissions. Next, check connectivity. Are you on the same LAN or connected via VPN? Ping the server IP to test reachability. Once done, verify the server is exporting the share type you need, SMB/CIFS for Windows clients or NFS for Unix systems, and make sure firewall rules allow the appropriate port. This prevents access problems before you proceed. Now mount the location. On Windows, open File Explorer, map Network Drive, choose a letter and paste the /server/share path, and opt to reconnect at sign-in. On Mac OS, use Finder, connect to server with SMB, /server/share or NFS, /server/share and add it to favorites. On Linux, either run mount tcifs with a credentials file or create an audoffs or systemd mount unit for persistent mounts. Make sure you specify correct options like UID, GID, and file mode so permissions behave as expected. Finish by validating access with a simple read/write test. Create, edit, and delete a file to confirm permissions and caching behavior. Then make the mount persistent. Add to fstab or systemd Linux. Use login items or auto mount on Mac OS, or map drive with reconnect or group policy on Windows. If problems occur, verify protocol versions, check firewall and port rules, ensure DNS resolves the server, and re-enter credentials. Often mismatched SMB/NFS versions or blocked ports are the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.